Hello, this is Andrew Breiter-Wu here from Brighter Planet Properties. Hope you're having a great day and hope the power is on for you. I was reading some articles this week, and what baffled me was that some of the blackouts in California were being blamed on solar. On us. Basically, I took that as a personal attack. It's on me, on the industry. And I just wanted to take a few minutes and debunk that. So some of the headlines and quotes from experts just directly blame the California blackouts on solar, and it really couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, solar and storage directly helped the grid and made it less of an impact to the grid when we did need to eventually black out. So I think solar has done an incredible job, and it generates tons of electricity during very hot days. So the blame should be laid on the feet of the fossil fuel industry, which had power plants fail to produce when they were most needed. I mean, they tell the grid, we're here, we're available, we have the capacity, we have the gas peaker plants, we've got oil generation. They say they're there and available to turn on it in a moment's notice, and they failed to achieve that. And it's on them. But what is really needed is, let's say forget about the fossil fuel generators, let's say forget about the peaker plants. What's really needed is more solar energy combined with more batteries to cover evening peak. And it's the beauty of California is that we don't have a daytime peak. I mean, in California, you have sun producing a ton of solar energy, and during the day, you're good. But when everyone comes home from 3, 6 onward, you have 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. California time, you have a peak period. Everyone comes home, turns on their lights, gets their AC to a nice chilly 70 degrees or whatever it may be. So that's where we still need more batteries for the grid, and that's where Brighter Planet Properties comes in to help solve that peak demand crisis that we're in, because we're going to have more blackouts. But this makes me think of, you guys remember 2001? California's blackouts, remember those days? The Enron days, right? Well, since then, California has built 9 gigawatts of local solar energy to cover almost 1 million customer sites throughout the state. So, we've learned that we don't want to go back to 2001 with the blackouts and Enron days, but we are still having blackouts. We're still having fires from utility infrastructure. And so, if California, the analysis has already been done, but if California builds 3 gigawatts of additional energy storage to cover customer locations across the state that could be dispatched during grid shortages, it would further trim evening peak needs as well, and save money for all of the ratepayers. If you look at the yellow line, that's the load without solar at all. You have the red orangey line, that's the CAISO load, and then the dotted line on the CAISO, which is it's basically the unified connection between all of the utilities that represents CAISO. It's where we sell our energy on the wholesale market. But if you look at that dotted line, 3 gigawatts gets you to shave that peak. That is literally a peak. And you shave it, and you shave it, and you keep going. Just imagine 20, 30 gigawatts of storage. So, how can you help? If you have a property, if you have an area that we could install a mega battery in your backyard, for your home, for your business, if I take a little corner of your warehouse space, built a storage project, you can give you backup power if you need it, and then I can help save money for ratepayers across the globe. Send us some details. We'll put some details in our email signature. I'll give you my email, all of the details, and I'll also provide our store where you can buy solar directly from our store. You can buy storage on our store. So ultimately, we've installed a significant amount of solar across California. We still are. I'm deploying crews across the country. I don't know if you've seen the video about combating power outages. I think we'll also include that in the description as well, because that video we recently did, it was incredible, and I think it's worth a watch after this video. So let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to helping you, and let's keep California's grid, or bring California's grid to the 21st century and never have a blackout again. Thank you.